In this video solution, we're going to explain how to create a label that uses property set data. We're first going to go over the information that can be included in a label of this type. We're going to go ahead and create a new label curve style, which is actually what defines how the label appears. And then we're going to go ahead and use that label in a drawing. So let's start out by going first into our style manager and look at what property set definitions are included in the drawing right now. And we're going to focus on duct object, which contains a property called duct size. We are going to use this value as our label. So our label curve styles are contained also in documentation objects. They're listed right here. What we're going to do is go ahead and create a new style. We're going to call this duct size. And if we look at it, we can see that we have these different options. And what we are going to choose to use is use property set. And this allows us down here to select all the different types of property sets we have in this drawing. So we're going to choose duct object. And now we have a choice of all the different properties that are contained within this property set definition. And we are going to choose duct size. And now we're going to use just standard text style. We're going to use a layer key from our system definition. This is an important thing to note here because this allows us to have our labels come in on the same layer as our system definition. So now that we've created our new label curve style, let's go ahead and use it on objects in the drawing. You can first go ahead and apply the label type here by using the Add Label tool. Within the Add Label tool, we can choose our label curve style, and in this case we're going to choose duct size. I'm going to go one by one, and there we go. You see that it's taken the property set definition information and used it on a label. As you can see, the layer that this is used is not the same layer as the ductwork, and that's because this particular system does not have a layer key assigned to it. So if we go to our style manager, we can apply a layer key to the object. So if we go here, we're now going to choose the layer key that we've created in this instance for this system. So now when we go ahead and draft duct that's using this system, you're going to see that the layer key is applied. If we wanted to, again, add a label, you're going to see that it's been applied, but in this case it's not displaying the value, and that's because the property set this references duct object has not been attached. If we click on this button, you can see that we're going to attach duct object, and our label displays. So we showed that you can use pretty much any property set data that's been attached to an object as a particular type of label. We went ahead and created a new label curve style that referenced that property set definition information, and then we went ahead and used that label in the drawing. Thank you for watching this video solution and using Autodesk products.